Hi everybody. So what you're looking at, I'm making beef tips. This is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. You won't get this until tomorrow because I've already put up today's video, which is my couple's questions that Erin and I did. So what I'm making tonight is my beef tips. I'm not sure if I did these for a video or for my blog. I cannot remember. So if this is a repeat of a video I've done a while ago, I apologize. This is just a little tweak on what I did before, just to kind of save myself some time. So what I did is I cut up my beef stew beef. I am all over the place. I am so excited and so caffeinated, I cannot get my words out right. So anyway, what I did is I just cut the stew beef on, I followed the grain of the meat. If you go in the opposite direction of the grain, you'll have a tougher meat. And in this cup right here, I have 2 beef bouillon cubes. I have 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, like maybe 2 squirts of sriracha sauce, and what else did I put in here? Probably about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And what the barbecue sauce is going to do, it's going to add some sweetness to it without having to add like brown sugar or anything like that to it, along with like some smoky hints too. So I will probably cook this on low for about 8 hours, and it's 9 o'clock now. So it should be done about 5 o'clock tonight. We're gonna have this with a baked potato, and I think I did this the same way the last time too. Again, I cannot remember if I did a video or if it was on my blog. So anyway, once this is done, I will put what it looks like in the thumbnail. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I hope you have a fantastic Valentine's Day. And if you got a chance to see our couple's questions, please feel free to do so. You're going to see a side of us that ordinarily you wouldn't see because of the type of videos that I usually put up, like cooking and stuff. So go ahead and check that one out. And I will talk to you in the future because apparently you're not going to see this until tomorrow, so that's technically in the future, right? Anyway, you all have a great day. Live, laugh, and love.